Now the hadith says, are people excused to leave off asking, not to ask? Now, does that mean that the only way to seek knowledge is to ask? When the companion asked the Imam alayhi salam, are we excused for not asking? Asking is just one way to learn knowledge. It doesn't mean that you literally have to go and ask. Because back then, with their limited resources, really the only way for you to seek knowledge is to go ask a scholar. But these days, you can go online, you could read books, and a lot of knowledge will be delivered to you. So whenever we have these words like, ask those who know, it doesn't necessarily mean literally go ask a question. It just means seek knowledge. But because back then the most common form of seeking knowledge was asking a question, we have that in the Quran and we have that in the Ahadith.